Tunze is proud to introduce the Stream 3, the result of 14 years of experience in producing propeller pumps. In our new pump, we've tackled two fundamental issues. The design is unconventional for sure, but the design was needed to address the two most important issues we have today with DC controllable flow pumps. The first issue is noise. In order to address the noise, we used a radial magnetic bearing system. The only contact point is a zirconium oxide ball bearing on the bottom. Unlike other attempts at magnetic levitation, our focus is in a radial magnetic system that isolates the rotor from the side walls. You can see there's no shaft. The impeller is completely levitated and centered by the magnetic field. The next issue we addressed is longevity. DC pumps have finite lifespans because of the electrical components used. Thin film capacitors and typical capacitors used have a 5 to 7 year lifespan, and that limits the life of such a pump. Our new design with the BEMF system eliminates the Hall sensors and all thin film capacitors. So let's get to how it's put together. First off, a high-tech plastic is used as a bearing surface. The bearing's installed simply by dropping it in. Then we install our rotor. Water is drawn in from the bottom through a grid that's part of the magnet holder. This cools the pump. Then we have our grid system. The grid is made of a glass reinforced plastic and is incredibly durable and strong. 4 solid locking pegs. The pump can now be used just as this. The safety system would prevent that if your finger were to enter the pump, it would hurt you. It would stop immediately. If we wish, we could position the pump vertically in the tank and direct the flow where we choose. Everything locks together quite solidly. Then we also have a grid so the pump could be positioned horizontally and the propeller protected. And another accessory that's included is a bag which could go over this, a mesh, which would protect anemones and small animals during the break-in phase. We also, concealed in the high-gloss polycarbonate shell, is a diagnostic light system. Should something go wrong with the pump, these LEDs will appear. The first two are a diagnostic code system, much like you might have on a furnace or another appliance, and the blinking of the lights or the pattern of the lights reveals what is wrong with the pump. The other lights, the blue lights, are a binary code for the length of use. Additionally, the cord is no longer PVC. You can see it's quite small and it's made out of polyurethane. The advantage there is that the embrittlement that occurs with PVC over time, that problem has been solved. We also include a plastic shield over the cord so that the other common issue of sea urchins and grazing fish slowly gnawing through the cord has been solved. We've truly thought of everything. The design is unconventional, but it's the next step forward in pump technology for aquariums. And we're thrilled with what we have to offer, and thank you for watching this video.